I'm going to become a nerd and teach you the basic biology of blood in order to turn this into this in 4 minutes and 41 seconds.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Before we get started, here's the pen you'll be needing in today's tutorial. So first things first, we're going to go on to selection layer. Now normally I don't like using the magic tool one, so I always use the bucket tool. In my opinion, it's much cleaner and much more efficient. If there are any areas that I've missed or small parts that I can't reach with the bucket tool, I always use a pen to draw over it myself. I know you're lazy, but make sure not to miss any corners, because once you finish drawing, you're going to notice that there are some blotches missing and it'll annoy you to no end. The plasma is the liquid part of your blood. It's mostly water, but it also contains important things like proteins, nutrients, hormones, and other waste products. The plasma's job is to carry around these substances around your body, so it helps keep your blood flowing around your body smoothly. The plasma tends to be more of a neutral red color. It's very off red. So for this reason, since it's a liquid, this is the part that's going to splotch around your body part a lot more. So you need to make sure that this is the furthest that it goes across your body. So we're going to be using this as a base. Next, we're going to switch onto eraser tool and switch to pen fade. We're going to be erasing in some circles here and there to make it look like the blood has splashed all over your skin irregularly. A clot is a solid lump that forms in your blood to stop bleeding when you get injured. It happens because platelets. Hi, it's Chloe 5 days into the future, so it's pronounced platelets, not platelets. I don't know why I said that. Can you guys tell that I got a 4-3 in science? Yeah! Those are tiny blood cells, and proteins in your plasma work together to plug the hole in a blood vessel. This process is called clotting. So for those who have periods, you'll see that sometimes you get clots. So your clots look a lot more darker. So on top of the plasma, we're going to be adding darker reds for, the clots. To make sure the blood doesn't look tidy, we're going to be erasing the same way we did before. Now we're just going to deepen the red of the clots. For those who have periods, you'll normally see that sometimes you have clots. So the clots are a lot darker and thicker. So we're going to be drawing thicker, darker red splotches on your face or any other part of your skin. But Chloe, what's the scientific explanation for this? I don't know! It just looks good, it looks better. That's your biology, that's your scientific lesson for today. I do know, however, that it's not supposed to be everywhere. Make sure that it's at the very base, okay? We're not supposed to see it all over your skin. Now we're going to be drawing some really teeny tiny black, pure black splotches, just like really at the bottom, barely visible, but it's still there. Now if the blood doesn't look splattered enough or if it looks too neat, you can always use liquify pen, just mess around with it. And boom, I taught you how to shade blood in 4 minutes and 41 seconds like a nerd. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to comment and I'll do my best to get to you. Love you guys. Goodbye. Mwah.